Hey everybody, my name is Al Noraker. I'm with the Wright McGill Company. You know, I get a lot of questions about this little tool right here. It's called the Wright McGill Power L Nipper. It's one of the best nipping tools out there for cutting monofilament line or fly line, just about any kind of fishing line that you might have. The L-shaped design is very, very nice, fits easily in your hand, very sharp. It also has a needle right here, which is a hook eye cleaning needle. And the final piece of this tool is a nail knot tool. And quite honestly, that's where most of the questions come from, is how do I tie a nail knot? So today, I'm going to show you very quickly and very easily how I use the Power L Nipper to tie a nail knot when attaching leaders to my fly line. Okay, so the Power L Nipper tool, like I said, is a multi-use device. It's a line cutter, hook eye cleaning needle, and of course the nail knot tool. And to tie a nail knot, all I do is I simply rotate the nail knot tool out to the end. I've got my fly line here, which is coming directly from my fly reel, and I slide it right in the back of the nail knot tool, and I hold that firmly in place with my thumb. Then I'm going to grab my leader, and I'm going to push it right back down through that hole in the opposite direction, and you'll see there's a little channel right here, and you want that leader to come right out there. I'm going to pull about 5 or 6 inches of line out through the end of the nail knot tool, and then simply wrap that over the top of that channel that the fly line runs through. Now I'm going to wrap this about 7 times. That seems to be a pretty good number for me. Always works well. Once I do that, I'm going to take the end of that leader and slide it right through that channel. You can see it coming out right in the bottom. And now in one motion, I'm simply going to pull it off the end of the nail knot tool, just like this. Once that's done, remove the leader from the nail knot tool. I'm just going to clean up this knot a little bit and snug that up from both ends. Nice and tight over the top of your leader, and that cinches down over the top of the fly line. I'm going to take the nail knot or the Power L Nipper and trim that off nice and close. Trim the fly line off first, and then I'm going to trim the leader material. And I have a nice, clean nail knot that's going to connect that leader to my fly line. You can also use this to attach your fly line to the backing, which goes on your reel first. Very simple tool, multi-use. You're going to love the Wright McGill Power L Nipper.